Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I am going to answer one of the Java interview questions. That is, how to convert numbers in string format into integer numbers in Java. Let me answer. In order to convert the numbers which are in string format into the real integer number format in Java programming, we have to use a predefined method of this integer class known as parseInt. ParseInt is a predefined static method of this integer class. And to this parseInt, if you pass the number which is in string format, for example, here 9 number is there, which is surrounded by double quotes. That means this is a number which is not the integer number, rather it is in a string format number. Okay. Such kind of string format numbers which are convertible into the where there is a possibility of converting them into the normal integer numbers, we can use this parseInt method of this static method of this integer class, and to that you pass the numbers which are in string format and they will be converted to the real integer numbers. Okay. With these methods, let me practically demonstrate to answer this question for you and for better understanding. For that, I'll switch to this Eclipse IDE and create a new class here. I'll just name this class with some random name. Let's say class 25. And here I'll just create main method also. Here I'm going to create a string s is equal to, I'll just give some double quotes, and in that I'll give some number, guys. It can be any number. For example, I'll give 124 as the number. Okay, there's one number, okay, which is not in real integer number format. Rather, this particular number is surrounded by double quotes. That means in Java it is a string literal, but the original portion of the text, okay, the actual text is in number format, is in number format. Such kind of string text which is in number format can be easily convertible to a normal integer number from string type. From string type, you can convert the string literal, which has the content in the format of number, into real number. So for that to happen, you have to call one predefined method of a class known as integer class. Okay, because this number inside the string literal text is in integer format. So I have to use a predefined class known as integer dot, you have to say parseInt. You have to call this parseInt. And to this, you need to pass a string. Okay, that you want to convert from string format number into the actual number. Okay, into the string format to the normal integer number format, have to pass the string text. Okay, so S is I am passing here for the parseInt method. ParseInt is one of the static predefined methods of the integer class in Java. Okay, so here it will return you the number, okay, in integer format. ParseInt will return you in the primitive in data type format. Okay, just print that number and observe that. You can also do some calculation here. Let's say n plus 1, I'll say. Okay, now 124 plus 1. 124 plus 1 is how much? 124 plus 1 is 125. So if it has been successfully converted from string type to numerical integer type, in that case, this addition will be possible. Instead of plus, will act like addition instead of concatenation. So here, when I say n plus 1, here if I say n plus 1, the plus symbol will act like addition operator once it is converted to number. Okay. So run the code. If it is not converted, it will do concatenation. But if you get the result as 125, that is 124, the n got converted into 124, the number format plus 1, if you're getting the result as 125, means this operation is successful. Let's say if I do something like this without converting, if I say s plus 1 here, s plus 1, okay, without using this integer dot parseInt of s, if I directly say s plus 1, then here 124 is in the string format, 124 string format plus 1. Here plus will not act like addition, it will act like concatenation operator, where this string text will be glued with this one. That means instead of 125, you will get 1241. 1241 will come, guys. If you don't convert that into integer number, you try to still add, it will act like concatenation. And here you will get the result as 1241, because string text is getting concatenated with the number. This is nothing but the result is also string text. Okay. If you really want to convert that into a number, you have to use integer dot parseInt and then store into the integer in data type variable, and that you can do addition, subtraction, whatever you want. So here the string text number will be converted to the normal integer number, so that addition will be possible. If it is not converted, string text will be appended or concatenated with the numbers, and resultant will be this kind of result you will get instead of 125. Okay. So with practical demonstration, I have answered this question for you. So that's all for this session. Thank you. Bye bye.